Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can turn off keyboard clicks on your iPhone. What you need to do is just open your iPhone settings, then tap on sounds and haptics, scroll all the way down and turn off the switch next to keyboard clicks. Then go back. Now keyboard is silent. That's how you can turn off keyboard clicks on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.